Mix 1 lemon with 1 tablespoon of olive oil and you will use this for the rest of your life. Since forever, people have been using the combination of olive oil and lemon in the treatment of numerous health concerns. This super healthy beverage can help you to eliminate all the harmful impurities from your body. It will boost your energy levels, making you feel like a new person. Back in ancient times, the Greeks and Romans used olive oil, which was known as liquid gold. It has an ability to effectively deal with bad cholesterol and cleanse your body. Olive oil is something that you need to immediately include in your diet, for the rest of your life. Lemon, on the other hand, is widely known for the many benefits it can provide. It is packed with antioxidants, nutrients, and vitamins such as vitamin B, potassium, proteins, phosphorus, and carbohydrates. Constipation. The combination of lemon and olive oil will help you to produce a strong lubricant for the intestinal mucus. It will activate and improve the function of your liver and gallbladder. It is a significantly effective antioxidant that will help to eliminate the pollutants and improve food digestion. Rheumatic problems. This healthy drink possesses powerful anti-inflammatory properties. The regular consumption of it will help you to treat joint pain. It is recommended to consume this drink in the morning, before your breakfast. Cardiovascular problems. Olive oil contains healthy fats that are extremely beneficial in the case of bad cholesterol. Moreover, they can reactivate the blood circulation, supporting out the bile of the liver and gallbladder. By consuming this healthy beverage in the morning, before your breakfast, you will be able to prevent the development of gallstones. Mix some olive oil, lemon, and water, and drink this 1 hour before your breakfast in order to cleanse your liver, kidneys, and gallbladder. So, now that you are familiar with all the benefits it can provide, why don't you give a chance and try this incredible combination even today? Your body will thank you and you will be amazed by the results.